Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to walk you through the changes and the updates available for the sidebar navigation builder for Breakdance. There are some exciting updates available, and if you have not seen my release video, I'm going to link it at the top right corner. Check the channel. Also, you're going to see the release video for this sidebar navigation builder for Breakdance. It enables you to build a sleek sidebar navigation with multiple nested levels, unlimited actually, with also with some drop down components here. All right, it has a lot of great features, but then we want to focus on what is new. So right now, this is how it is when you put it, like not the colors but the the structure. So you have it like a sidebar, but a lot of people have been requesting, what if we don't want to use it as a sidebar? What if we want it to be an off canvas? What if we want to use another header, another menu here, but we put that as an off canvas? I'm going to show you just how to do that. So once you've set it up according to the video I did in the release video, this is what you're going to have. But if you go to the code block section, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the JavaScript section by placing my cursor in the CSS section. I'm holding down page down. That is going to enable me to scroll faster down to where you have the JavaScript code, and I'm going to expand that. And then I'm going to come here where you have enable off canvas. So I'm just going to put that off canvas as 1. That means 1 is enabled, 0 is disabled. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to save. Right now it is just a sidebar, but if I refresh this, I'm going to have an off canvas. So that means the logo is here and my hamburger is here. And then if I click here, you can see that that is now an off canvas. That means you can also place other menu items here in the header. So I have some items here that I have disabled, which I'm going to now bring them back. Okay, I'm going to bring them back. And then if I save and refresh, you can see that you can place you could have like a regular header, but you still have the off canvas with the slide navigation still very active. Okay, you can see that. All right, now you could also do the push contents. For example, if you want the off canvas to push the content, you could also go back to the code. I'm going to use the same method. Hold down page down, scroll all the way down, and then I'm going to expand this. So you see off canvas push content. And then I'm going to set this to 1. Now I can save this now and then look at the front end. If I refresh that, you're going to see that if I open it, it's going to push the content. And this is really cool. Like even in the responsive, you can see that it just pushes that, nicely. Cool, sweet looking animation. Okay. Now let's assume that you wanted to have your sidebar, you want to have the push content on mobile only. Okay, now first of all, let's expand this. Let's disable the off canvas for now and disable the push content also, and save, and let's see what happens. So let's say you want to have these like that. Okay, of course I should have gone ahead to disable this, but I'm gonna let that for, I just want to demonstrate something. So we go to the mobile and I click here, and you see that it comes, the menu flies out. Okay, normally this is a default behavior, and the menu comes below the header. But what if you had a lot of things and you just want the menu, this sidebar menu, to cover the logo on the mobile? Okay, so you could also come here and enable off canvas. Once you enable off canvas, now assuming you don't want off canvas on the desktop, let's say you want it to be a sidebar on the desktop, you could go ahead and change the off canvas breakpoint. Right now it is 11024. It's very large. It means it basically covers all the screen size. So let's say we want it to be at a small screen size, like say 767, the small screen size. So that means that if we refresh this, we are going to still have the sidebar, but when we go to the small screen size, you can see that it's now off canvas. You can see that it covers the whole of the logo. So this gives you the flexibility to decide how you want this to look on mobile. But what if you wanted it to push? No problem, you could also do that. Set it to push, and it's still going to respect this maximum width. And then let's save that, and let's go back to the desktop, and you can see that it is still a sidebar on the desktop, but on mobile, it becomes a push navigation. So those are the updates that are available. Of course, I want these to look good on the desktop. I don't like this, so I'm just going to take it back to, I'm going to increase this media query to up to the larger screen size. Okay, we're going to have that look great, and we still have our push content. This is really cool way of adding a very nice sidebar navigation, or an off canvas navigation, or an off canvas with a push content navigation to your website. This component is available to buy as a standalone component, but it's also available if you are an all access member. And all access membership is currently at a 40% discount as at the time of this recording. And if you get that subscription today, or while the offer is still valid, you're going to lock in that 40% discount forever. So that means renewal will always be at that discounted rate. And it's going to give you access to this component and other components that I have, and other components that I'll be creating in the future. So take advantage of that. The link is in the description to get this as a standalone, or to get an also access membership, and to also to check out other components that I have. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.